In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find motivated sellers on Zillow. This is especially useful for wholesalers or anyone involved in real estate looking to discover properties where sellers may be eager to negotiate a deal. We'll walk through the process step by step, so grab your device and let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Zillow's website. If you haven't already, sign into your Zillow account. It's important to have an account as it gives you more access to detailed information and saves your customized searches for future use. Now that you're signed in, we're going to search for a specific location. Enter the name of the area or the zip code you're interested in. For example, if you're targeting properties in California City, type that into the search bar. Once you've entered your location, go ahead and submit the search. This will bring up a list of properties in that area. Next, look for the More option in the filters and click on it. This is where you'll be able to refine your search criteria significantly. Now you want to locate the Listing Type section. Here you'll find different options like agent listings, owner sales, and more. Uncheck the Agent Listed box. This filter is crucial because properties listed by owners often indicate sellers who may be more motivated as they're attempting to sell their property without a real estate agent. Continuing, uncheck New Construction. Presumably, these homes won't have motivated sellers as they are new builds intended for sale generally without discounts or rush. Furthermore, uncheck the Foreclosures and Auctions boxes as well. These are typically complex processes that can be challenging and involve long waiting times. Instead, focus on listings with high potential for motivated sellers. Once you've done that, click on Show More to reveal additional options. Check the Pre-Foreclosures box. These are properties where the owner is likely eager to sell quickly to avoid foreclosure. Another box to tick is Owner Posted. These are direct sales from the owner, suggesting the sellers might be pressed for time or willing to negotiate. Lastly, click on Apply. This will refresh your search results to show listings that match your selected criteria. You should now see a list of motivated sellers who may be more open to negotiating favorable terms. This method is particularly effective for wholesalers searching for good deals in real estate. And there you have it. You've just learned how to find motivated sellers on Zillow using a series of strategic filters to identify properties that match your investment criteria. Thanks for watching, and happy house hunting.